Praise be to Jesus. Here's how we remain loyal to Peter when Peter seems to betray Christ. The church is bigger than the Pope, and the Pope has the same duties as any regular Catholic: to renounce Satan and profess the Catholic faith. Bishop Anastasius Snyder told the 2018 Rome Life Forum today. The laity must help, not attack the Pope if he fails to do this in a clear manner. As members of the Church Militant, we wish to defend the Church's moral and theological teachings from all who attack them, began a question submitted to the bishop, which he read and answered. However, such attacks are now seemingly to come from the very top. As a bishop once said to me, how do we remain loyal to Peter when Peter is not loyal to Christ? So how do we comport ourselves as members of the Church Militant and with regard to the current situation in Rome? Well, in the article, the bishop answers this question, which is, somewhat lengthy here. So if you're interested in what the bishop has to say about, how we can be supportive of the Pope, and there were some things in there that I wasn't aware of, so I learned something. So it's worth reading, and the link will be in the description box.